Quick tour, one bedroom suite, 1951 at the Ocean Resort. Come in. The wife needs to be edited out. Ooh, we get a little half bath off to the side. Refrigerator, coffee station. Got living room. Great view out the windows with easy opening and closing shades. Large sitting area, TV, and come back here, you have a separate bedroom area, substantial closet, another great view out the bedroom window. Desk area, another TV, and then the master bath, his and her sinks, shower, substantial shower, bench, separate toilet area, and even, we don't see all the time now, a soaking tub. And that is a quick tour of the one bedroom suites at Ocean Resort.